make suji da halwa. So I've taken cup of suji. Take the same measurement, same cup for everything. Cup of suji. This is the one I use. I use the fine one. Use this one. Then I'm going to use 2 eggs, 100 gram of butter. Use non-salted butter. Same cup I'm used for the suji. I'm going to use cup of milk. Same cup I'm going to use cup of sugar. Same cup I'm going to use 2 cups of water. Let's start to cook. We start with melting the butter. Once the butter is melted, I'm going to add the semolina to it. You have to cook on very low heat until it goes brown. You can't cook on full heat. It's got to be very, very low heat. Now the butter is melted. I'm going to add the suji to it. And I'm going to cook on very, very low heat till it goes light brown. It have to be on low heat. Mix it all up. So you keep on cooking it on low heat and keep stirring it. Do not let it burn. I've got 2 beaten eggs here. To that I'm going to add cup of sugar, cup of milk, and 2 cups of water. So in here I've added 2 eggs, beaten eggs, cup of sugar, cup of milk, and 2 cups of water. Gonna mix everything up, and when the suji is ready, I shall add this to it. 15 minutes of cooking this on low heat, and it starts to smell nice. That means it's cooked. So after 14 minutes I've cooked on low heat. This is how it should look now. To this I'm going to add the mixture I've got of eggs, milk, sugar and water. When adding that, make sure there are no lumps in. Mix it quickly. I've added the mixture of milk, eggs, sugar and water in there. You see there are no lumps in it. Cook on medium heat until it starts to get thick. Once it starts to get too thick, turn the heat off. When cooking on medium heat like this, make sure you keep stirring so there are no lumps in it till it starts getting thick, because if you leave it, the lumps will get bigger. So just cook it and keep stirring it. Make sure you stand there. See, there are no lumps in it, and I'm stirring it while it's getting thicker. No lumps at all. So you got to be careful that, if you don't stir it, then you will get lumps in it. So you got to keep stirring it. It's starting to get thicker now. Look, getting start a little bit more. I'm gonna do a little bit more, cook a little bit more, and then I'm gonna turn the heat off. It's already starting to get thick, but there are no lumps in it because I've been stirring. There you are. Look, it's getting really thick now. So another minute or so, I'm going to turn the heat off. See that? No lumps in it. Looks really nice, tasty. Please do try it. You got to stir it, otherwise you'll get lumps in it. So please try. It's getting thick now. Look, it's nearly done now. So I'll be turning the heat off. I've turned the heat off now. It's done now. See how nice and thick it is, but without any lumps in it. So I'm going to dish it out now. There you are. Lovely suji da halwa. In other words, semolina pudding. It's delicious. It's sweet. I've garnished it with almonds. You can garnish with whatever you like with it. You can put raisins. Delicious. Please try.